Here's what I wish I knew as a kid. Space isn't silent at all. The planets, they've been singing to us the whole time. Ready to listen? We've always pictured space as totally quiet. No air, no sound, just endless silence. But surprise, every single planet actually has a voice. And thanks to NASA's Voyager spacecraft, we've been able to hear them. How? Planets send out electromagnetic vibrations, basically invisible waves, and scientists turn those into sounds we can play back on Earth. Take Saturn, for example. Its magnetic field produces signals that, when converted, sound like a deep alien roar. It's chilling, almost like a growl mixed with a ghostly whisper. And it's not just Saturn. Listen to Jupiter. It's got a wild pulsing static. Earth hums with a gentle, steady rhythm. Neptune? It's high-pitched and whispery. Uranus is totally unpredictable, snappy and electric. Remember, these aren't sounds you'd hear with your ears. They're plasma waves and magnetic fields, turned into audio by super smart scientists. So picture it, you're floating through the solar system and every planet is singing its own tune. They've always been playing, we just never knew how to listen. Like, comment, and subscribe if this cosmic concert blew your mind. Which planet's sound gave you chills?